Yeah, g'day guys, Jamie here from Airborne Solutions. Just wanted to make another tutorial video on what we call the 1, 2, 3 mode here in the XAG app. We've just knocked off after a bit of blackberry spraying today. It's about windy, about 10 to 12 knots. So we just set up a little block here that we're going to let the drone run autonomously. There it goes and starts its run. We're going to get about 3/4 of the way down the run here and we'll flick the control stick like so, and now it gives us an option here of 1, 2 and 3. So what 1 does is follows the drone and will resume from where the drone is. 3 will be on the corner there, and the 2 will fly the drone across and parallel it back. So we find this quite useful for when it's starting to get up in the wind conditions and we need to end the run quickly so as not to drift onto nearby crops or so on. So there we go, I've just pressed 2 there and now it's paralleling back. I'll hit the stick again, same options appear, 1, 2 or 3, but this time I'll move across into the second line manually. There we go, and now the 2 is going to appear on the other side of the next line, so it can continue from that, say if you're getting quite a bit of drift across. There it goes, I've just selected 1, so it's going to continue down that line again. Easy as that. We'll return it to home. Job done. Thank you all very much. See you on the next one.